one's one of our nice ones. It's square and flat, quarter-mile long rows. We're already finding out with this combine compared to the New Holland that we need to get a semi now, because DJ just pulled out of the field and we've already got the cart full. Again, I think I'm going to put a little bit more on him here before I get to the end of the field, but corn's doing really good here. I was kind of impressed. This part of the field, there's like the west 15 acres is corn on corn, where this farm used to be split into 3 sections, corn, beans, and wheat, and now it's just corn and soybeans, so we have a little bit of overlap on corn ground. So the yield should in theory get better once we get over there, but DJ's definitely going to stay busy today with the truck. We haven't decided yet whether or not we need to go get the wagons or whether or not they're just going to be in the way. They would help if we had somebody here to pull them, but we don't, so they'd be sitting and the DJ would be switching back and forth. So we'll have to run it by him and see what he thinks. We're trying to decide whether or not we need to get wagons running or not. We're a person short of being able to do that efficiently, so we're gonna keep going and see what if we can, and we'll see what happens. It's 3 o'clock now, so there's somebody be getting off work. We can probably get to come help us. To get something done. Benny, he took off out of the grain cart. He went with DJ to get some wagons, and we got one of my cousins running the grain cart, so once they get caught back up, we shouldn't have to stop for anything. But corn's doing really good over here. I call it slightly above average. Better than I thought it was going to be anyways. Benny must have got tired of waiting, and he decided he would come catch me with the wagons while the grain cart was unloading. It's that time of the day where it's hard to see because the windows are dirty. I made it to where the grain cart was waiting for me. I was literally just starting to run over onto the cab when I hit the button for the unloading auger, so it's working out good so far. You should be able to fill the wagons after this dump. We're about finished up with this field here. Imagine we'll fill the grain cart 2 more times, and then we'll go back to the shop for the night and figure out what the plan is for tomorrow. Well guys, we just got into the house for the night. We're gonna call tonight. We got that farm done and everything unloaded, so that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Keep your plow on the ground.